Trishka. I am studying third standard. I am going to explain about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, a series of lunar exploration mission developed by the ISRO. Chandrayaan 3 launched 14 July 2023. India has become the first country to touch down near the lunar south polar on 23 August 2023. Last connect 22 August 2024. Welcome, sir. My name is Shanmuga Priya. I study in third standard. My topic name is electrical circuit using switch. Electrical circuit is a closed path along which charged particle move. When switches are open, there is a gap in the circuit. Electric charge cannot flow. The circuit is not working. We can see that the circuit is not working because the bulb is not lit. Thank you. Welcome, sir. I am studying third standard. Today I talk about ATM. ATM stand for automatic teller machine. ATM card in a pin batch card is used by a bank to account holders to use it for various purposes at the ATM. Account holders can make it for purchase by entering the personal identification number PIN. ATM faster than going to the bank, no long lines. Insert your card into the ATM. Enter your PIN, select the service you want to ask, such as withdraw or cash or deposit or check your balance. The ATM will carry out the transaction. It provide 24/7 services. Thank you. This when I studying third standard, I talk about water purification. Water purification makes water clean. It removes dirty and germs. Purification makes water safe to drink. There are several methods to purify water. There are boiling, filtration, chlorination, and distillation. There are at home we commonly use water filter or boil water to ensure safety. Clean water keeps everyone healthy and happy. Purification helps us avoid getting sick. Filtration water, common method using like stone, pebbles, sand, and cotton. Pure water is often get the as the world's most important medicine. Thank you. Sir. Sugil, I am studying third standard. My project name is ATM. ATM full form is Automated Teller Machine. It is an
electronic device. Thus, machines are found in many public places. ATM are available all the time in a year. Bank install the money in an ATM. Thank you.
Name is Lakshma. I'm studying third standard. My topic name is constellation. Constellation is a group of stars that form an imaginary shape in the sky. There are 88 constellations. There are three types of constellation. Circumpolar constellation example Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, zodiacal constellation, example Leo, Gemini, Libra, seasonal constellation, example Orion, Pegasus. Constellation were used for finding direction in the sea. Thank you.
Studying third standard. My topic name is plant are living. Plant are living things. Plant make their food with the help of sunlight. They give us oxygen to breathe. They need water, air, and sunlight to grow well. Plant producer food and shelter. Thank you.
My name is Ardhat Paviksha. I am studying third standard. My topic name is water cycle. Water cycle is the journey of water. It is also called hydrologic cycle. There are four main stages of water cycle. Water dissipated from lakes and rivers to form clouds. Clouds hold water until it falls as rain or snow. Rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, and underground. The cycle starts again when water evaporated from lakes. Water evaporated on, onto the air. Thank you. Kamita, my topic name is traffic rules. We should always obedient the traffic signal. Never hurry walking the road. Red lights mean stop. Yellow lights mean stop. Green lights mean go. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Yastya Dasan. I am studying in third standard. My topic name is water pollution. Dirty, First, the dirty water is filtered by big stone, the small stone. After that, charcoal, pure sand, the pure cotton, and finally clean drinking water. Thank you. My name is V. Akash. My study in third standard. My topic name is forest. Forests are very important part of natural. Forests give you oxygen to live life. Forests are home to many animal and bird. May make our environment fresh and green. Forests reduced global warming. Thank you. My name is Abdul Razak. I am studying third standard. My topic name is ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. You insert an ATM card to take out money from your bank account. ATM machine allows withdraw money from cash deposit. View your balance. Never share your ATM pin to anyone. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Santanu. My project name is Zoo is called Animal Spa. The zoo is contain a variety of animals. Arigaranna Zoo is the largest zoo in India, located in Chennai. My name is Tripura Shaman. My topic name is Day Night. Daytime sun, sky, birds. Nighttime sun, moon, stars. Daytime is daytime sun,
Sun is the daytime. Moon and stars come in the nighttime. Thank you.
My name is R. Mitran. I am studying third standard. My topic name is agriculture farming. Farmer play a very important role. Farmers are often called backbone of our country. They are very hardworking. Farmers provide food to the whole country. Farmers deserve a lot of respect. Thank you.
My name is Krishna Babu. My standard is third standard. My topic name is satellite. Monitoring particular region by geostationary satellite. Plant monitoring provide uh, yeah, a beast view of land. East, 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 east operations from anywhere on on earth. Thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shibula Kashyap. I am studying third standard. My topic name is solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Sun is at the center and planet revolving around it. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Our Earth is called the blue planet. Mars is known as red planet. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Saturn is called a ringed planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Thank you. My name is Shamaris. I am standard is third standard. My school name is Bharati Nacharam Primary School. My topic name is vegetables. பீட்ரூட் ரத்தத்தின் சிவப்பணுக்களை அதிகரிக்கிறது. கேரட்டின் உள்ளே பிட்டா பாகற்காய் ரத்தத்தில் Morning, sir. Good morning. Morning, sir. Good morning. Morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My standard is third standard. My name is Sabai Kannan. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Kauda Maran. My studying third standard. My topic name is kidney function. Remove waste products from the body. Remove drugs from the body. Balance the body fluids. Release hormones that regulate blood pressure. Produce an active form of vitamin D that promotes string healthy bones. Control the protection of red blood cells. Thank you. Standard. My topic is planet. Planets means a very large round object in space. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The first 4 planets in our solar system, the first 4 planets from the Sun are called innerest planet. Uranus has gone to the
Thank you, ma'am. I'm studying third standard of Bharati School. My topic name is computer. Computer is an electronic device. It can store, process, and retrieve data. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. He is known as father of computer. The major part of invented by inventor yeah. My name is Aswan, studying third standard. My topic name is Math Game. Math Game, Math Game 20 second. The number, then the coins, two birds, two birds, uh, two birds, two birds. First game, my give star and chocolate. Finish.
My name is Varun. I am the third standard. My topic is my topic is traffic signal. Red, stop to stop. Yellow, to ready. Green, to go.
Miss Ramcharan, third standard. My topic name is school. My school name is Bharati Nansari Primary School. It is very beautiful. It is an English medium school. It is the best school in our city. My school has a big playground. Thank you. R. Kaushik, my studying third standard. My topic name is traffic signal. Traffic signal are that control the movement of vehicles. That is very useful movement of. That is useful to control two or more joint. That are many kinds of traffic signal, but is majorly three types. Red signal to stop, yellow signal to ready, green signal to go. Thank you.
Carly is called poor man and welcome sir. My name is Krishma. I'm studying third standard. Carly. My topic is medicine in the kitchen. Carly is called the poor man antibiotic. Ginger, it is help to improve digestion. Turmeric, it is a gas. Red. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, ma'am. My name is M. Larson. I am studying in third standard. My topic name is water cycle. The water cycle shows how water moves on earth. Water evaporates from the sun. Evaporation. Collection. Thank you.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. The sun is the center of the planet. The path of the planet is known as an orbit. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Mercury is the fastest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet among all of them.